When working in land management applications, Caterpillar provides the products and solutions in order to get your jobs done quicker. One of your options to choose from is Excavator Mulchers. For mini hydraulic excavators, we have both fixed tooth and flail mower mulching heads for 5-ton and 8-ton platforms. These mulching heads that we'll talk about today are of the fixed tooth design, and we'll go over some of the features and benefits. My name's Alex Gajewski with the Work Tools product group at Caterpillar. Today we'll talk about the HM208 and the HM210. Both models of fixed tooth mulchers are designed and tuned for the 8-ton platform, starting off with the HM208, 8/10 of a meter in working width, going all the way up to an HM210 with a full meter of working cutting width. You have the features carry over as well. The fixed tooth mulchers utilize a smooth-sided drum with teeth mounted in a helical or staggered pattern in order to ensure that only one tooth impacts material at a time. Now, the teeth that are used on both the 208 and the 210 are a chisel style design that's sharpened to a point, so you shred any type of vegetation or overgrowth that you're trying to clear. Now, these teeth utilize a single bolt retention system so that you can easily flip those teeth over to get another working life out of them without having to sharpen them with a grinder at your truck or wherever it may be. Also integrated into the cavity of these mulchers is a serration of knives of hardened material that also serve as a cutting surface. So as we look at the teeth and the drum cavity of this mulcher, you can see both the teeth arranged in a helical pattern or a staggered pattern, as well as this hardened material here that is sharpened to a knife edge, so you bring that mulch down or that material down to a fine mulch and fine byproduct. Also down here you see bolt-on adjustable skid shoes. These skid shoes are easily replaced when the time comes for service and also serve as the ground engaging point. So not only are you just grinding your teeth into the ground, potentially wearing them out faster than would normally happen, you have these skid shoes that will control that engagement of the ground, increasing that overall life of the tooth and lowering your owning and operating costs. On the back side of the mulcher, we have an additional door. This door here is the front door. It is opened in about the halfway position shown here. It can be opened all the way or closed. Now, when you have that door closed, you're allowing that material to recirculate, hitting those cutting surfaces that we talked about, bringing that byproduct or that finished material to the end result that much faster. When you want to engage a tree or take down something larger than about 8 to 10 inches or so, you can open up that door, allow the mulching teeth to engage that material, and it'll simply slice it away. Now, when we talk performance, the dual speed motor that's integrated into this mulching head and the 308 that powers it, make sure that you avoid stall. The chisel style teeth don't have as much resistance when they engage material, so not only can you slice it through, if you do encounter a lot of material getting ingested into the machine, it'll switch into a high torque, low speed setting, making sure that you power through, create that fine byproduct, and then can go back to work in a high speed setting. In order to ease the process of taking the HM208 or the HM210 on and off the machine, integrated into the rear section of the mulcher is a stand that can be hinged down to allow the pins up top for that 8-ton platform to sit horizontally. So when you come over the top with a hydraulic or manual pin grabber coupler, or simply want to pin on this mulching head to a 308 machine, you can do so easily and without any hassle. Now, when we talk about the full line of land management solutions from Caterpillar, we are talking about skid steer mulchers for that compact track, multi-terrain, and skid steer loader machine, as well as the D3 mulcher. Added to that is the Excavator mulching heads, both fixed tooth and flail, HM208, HM210, and also the flail series, which features, again, a 36-inch working width. Look forward to talking with you next time, and I encourage you to visit your local Cat dealer for more information or cat.com. Thank you.